Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to recover our snap streak on Snapchat. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and log into our Snapchat account. So once we are here, we can go ahead and click our profile icon. And once done, we can go ahead and click the gear icons so that we will be routed to settings. And once we are here, we can go ahead and scroll down and we are going to click here, I need help. Once we are here, we can go ahead and click I lost my snap streak. And if you notice, we are now about to submit our request. So we can click here, I lost my snap streak. So if you notice on our screen right now, we have here, sorry to hear you're having issues with snap streaks. To keep a snap streak going, you and your friend must both send each other a snap at least once every 24 hours. So we're going to click this. And once we are here, if you notice on our screen right now, to restore your snap streak on our support site, go here. So basically, we're going to tap here. And by this time, we are going to scroll down. And if you notice, we have here different information that we need to fill in. So basically, we need to fill in the necessary information in order for us to recover our snap streak. We're going to input our email, our username, our mobile number, our device, our friend's username, and we can also input the day when it started that we are having trouble in terms of our snap streak. We also have here the different optional questions available. So once you fill out that information, you can go ahead by providing description. So you can narrate here what happened. So just like for example, I lost my snap streak. Kindly help me. Kindly help me in restoring it. Thank you. So basically, once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click submit in order for us to send this request in order for Snapchat to review our concern. So there you have it. That's how we are going to recover our snap streak on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.